A long straight wire carrying a current of 30 ampere is placed in an external uniform magnetic field of 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla parallel to the current. We have to calculate the net magnetic field at a point 2 centimeter away from the wire. So let's say this is my current carrying conductor, alright, carrying a current I in this direction, and it is given that the magnetic field is also in the same direction. So the magnetic field, let's say, is in this direction. Alright, now due to this current we do have a magnetic field, and the direction of the magnetic field will be manipulated by right hand thumb rule. Stretch your thumb in the direction of the current, and the curling of your fingers shows the direction of magnetic field. So the magnetic field comes out like it will be upward, that is out of the plane on this side and into the plane on this side. So we have to calculate the net magnetic field. So first of all, calculate the magnetic field due to this straight current carrying conductor. Let it be B1. So this B1 is given by mu naught I by 2 pi r, because this is the formula that we use to calculate a magnetic field at a distance r from a straight current carrying conductor. So substituting the value, I have magnetic field as mu naught as 4.2 to the power minus 7. I, that is current, is 30 ampere divided by 2 pi r. Here r is a point at which we have to calculate the magnetic field. It is given as 2 centimeter or 0.02 meter. So on solving this, I get the value of magnetic field as 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Now there is another magnetic field in this direction, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla in this direction. So clearly we had two magnetic fields whose angle is 90 degree between each other. So let's say there are two vectors, so the net vector is calculated by the formula b1 square plus b2 square plus 2b1 b2 cos of theta. Now clearly the angle between b1 and b2 is 90 degree, so cos theta will be 0. So we have b net is equals to b1 square plus b2 square to the power 1 by 2. On substituting the value, I have 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square of each, and whole to the power 1 by 2. So I have net magnetic field as 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. That is the answer.